Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm doing pumpkin rice and brown stew chicken. Here I have my chicken, piece of pumpkin. Now I'm gonna start the process and show you how I done my brown stew chicken and pumpkin rice. All-purpose seasoning, some jerk seasoning, Maggi chicken seasoning, adding a little bit of browning, now I'm gonna mix it up. Now I'm gonna add all my natural season that I've been prepared here: onion, sweet pepper, tomato, carrot, hot pepper, garlic. Now I'm gonna mix it up all together. And here's my pumpkin already cleaned up and washed. Now I have a pot on the stove. Now I'm gonna add my pumpkin. Adding piece of thyme, a green pepper, some small piece of sweet pepper, scallion, then leave it to boil. Now I have a pot on the stove. I'm gonna add some cooking oil to it to fry my chicken. And here's my chicken. Now I'm gonna fry. Now my oil is hot. Now I'm gonna fry my chicken. Now my pot is boiling up and I'm gonna add a piece of butter, some Grace cock soap, just half, not a whole pack. Some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, not gonna add any salt because the cock soup already having salt in it. Now I'm gonna give it a stir. Now I'm gonna give my chicken a turn. Now I'm gonna add in my rice. And give it a stir. Then leave it to cook. My chicken is finished fry. My chicken is finished fry. Now I'm gonna cook it up. I'm gonna add all my natural season in the pot. Giving it a stir. And I'm gonna add some water. Pumpkin rice is finished. It's finished. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Shelly. I'm gonna give it a stir up. I'm gonna add a piece of thyme. I'm gonna add my chicken to the pot. Giving it a stir. Now I'm gonna add some Grace tomato ketchup. Giving it a stir. Then leave it to dry down. My brown stew chicken is finished now. Look at the gravy, guys. Nice and rich. Look at it. Now I'm gonna plate it and show you what it looks like.